charge a setup or leasing fee? Real property management doesn't just add your property to our list of properties managed. We devote about 43 hours into the setup and leasing of your property. We have several checklists consisting of hundreds of items that we do during the setup and leasing of each property. But let's just list some of the major things that actually create value and can save the property owner money. For one, we immediately conduct an interior and exterior video inspection of the property and produce a report. We utilize our network of vendors to handle any make-ready repairs in a timely and affordable rate for our owners. We shoot professional pictures and videos for marketing purposes to start making a blitz to get the most exposure for the property. We have a full-time licensed real estate agent dedicated to renting our properties to the most highly qualified applicants. Let's face it, our interests and yours are in alignment to get the property rented as quickly as possible to a qualified tenant. We do not get paid until the properties are rented.